What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and we are checking back in from the Universal Orlando Resort for yet another Jurassic World VelociCoaster construction update. And as you may know, team member previews and annual pass holder previews are this week. There's a lot to see and do. Let's go. Well, we got to check up on our old friend the bead tree, and man, is it way down. There's probably more beads on here than I have ever seen. Top to bottom. Crazy. One small thing to note, the globe is now on the front entrance for the Universal Studios store. Looks nice. Hello, Lighthouse, and it's kind of warm here today, somewhere in the high 80s. Not too busy though. Speaking of the Lighthouse, it's getting a little bit of work. Well, that's different. They're doing some painting over here. This is blocked off. So this side is open for the ticket windows. Turnstiles on the left and right are open. We'll be right in. Yep, like usual, no way to get through temperature check, security, or through the front entrance, and we are on our way. Alrighty guys, let's check out the wait times. Park is open until 7 p.m. and we can see it's a little bit busier with Hulk at 50 minutes, Spider-Man at 20, Dr. Doom at 15, Kong at 50 minutes, P-Flyers at 35 minutes, Hogwarts Express at 50 minutes. We can see some of the smaller attractions at 5 and 15 minutes, water rides at 60 minutes and 45 minutes. So yeah, it's a little bit busier here today. There's the Jurassic World VelociCoaster, and good news, we've already seen it running. It's about to shoot up over the top of the top hat. And again, team member previews are within the next couple days, and starting Sunday, we have annual pass holders riding. I'll be on it Sunday. Incredible Hulk. And well, let's check on those water cannons. Nothing. What? Me ship the olive. Yep, still closed.
While stationary. Guests that do not comply will be required to exit the resort. Wash your hands often and thoroughly. Cover your mouth and nose when coughing and sneezing, and maintain social distancing. Thank you for your cooperation.
Well, that sound is fire alarms during testing. So they are testing those as well. You may remember from a while back we had a lot of conduit and pipes over here for electrical. Well, it's all done. Skull Island, Rain Kong. Big guy has a 50-minute wait. Of course, we can't forget about our good friend Rexy. She looks awesome. Check this out. Some new merchandise. Exclusive blue, $1,500, 1/6 scale. Well, we talked about it in the last update. Camp Jurassic is open, and there's something I want to show you in here if you've never seen it before. It's amazing. If you've never been in the caves, you gotta try it. It's awesome. I'm not sure if the Amber got a refurbishment or not, but it looks amazing in here. And here are the other caves. Awesome hidden little gem here. And the geyser's working. The nets area is still closed, as we can see. Barrier right there, but some of the slides have reopened. And here we are, over by Jurassic Park River Adventure. Wall City. Looks good. Waterfall's on too. Well, that's new. A-frame sign saying opening June 10th. Good to see it instead of coming soon. Well, the ride has been testing quite a bit, but we just had a rollback, so we're about to have a relaunch. laterals right there.
This is going to be a full-fledged roller coaster where you get a chance to see all the different dog changing experience. This attraction will allow you to go 70 miles per hour, which is absolutely...
Got some barricades out front of the Jurassic Park Discovery Center. Hooray! The VelociCoaster sign has been updated. Instead of saying summer, it now says opening June 10th. That's funny. Hagrid's currently an 80-minute wait. They are not doing virtual queue. And the line goes way that way. There's Hulk, and we're over by Mythos, so that means VelociFishies. And VelociTurtle too. Well, this is new. Just outside of Mythos, we have a bunch of tables that are set up. And you already know it's going to be a good day when we have construction ducks.
For the health and safety of everyone, face coverings must be worn at all times, fully covering your nose and mouth. Thank you for your cooperation.
Bet you didn't know Universal had a whirlpool.
Out, so you can enjoy those food and beverages. Just please do not walk while eating or drinking. We want to keep those facial coverings on as much as we can. Go ahead and do any last minute shopping as you need. But as always, facial coverings are always going to be needed and required as you guys are.
Well, guys, that's going to do it for another video here from the Universal Orlando Resort for the Jurassic World VelociCoaster. We saw a bunch of testing. And remember, team member previews will be starting this week. Of course, we have our chance to ride on Sunday. We're going to have all sorts of coverage. So if you like what we do, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter at Midway Mayhem. And I will see you out on the Midway.